My tutorial on how to add images and format images. Okay, so you're going to first drag and drop your image, and it's going to be huge, so you want to maybe resize that image a little bit, but it looks bad if you just put it in here. So you're going to want to go to this picture format tab, and the first thing you're going to decide is whether you want to wrap the text inline or if you want it sort of a little bit fancier, and you can do a lot of different sort of options. Like you can lay it out like this, and that's just a matter of moving it up and down, or you can lay it out like so, or if you want it in the middle like that, if for some crazy reason. The other thing that you can do is put the text in line. And so the way I would suggest is using this top and bottom feature. And then you basically just drag it. Let's say you want the text right after this paragraph, right? And so importantly, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go here to more layout options. And then you're going to have to add some spacing above and at the bottom of the text, so it's not too crowded. So you reposition it and see, so the text isn't quite as crowded, and you can play around with that spacing to determine how much spacing you want. Just go to town there. And then finally, whether you lay it out as a text like this or inline, you're going to want to go to this align feature, and then you're going to have to align it, right? So let's say you want it to the left. You can align it to the right. You can align it to the bottom. You can align it to the top. And additionally, if you use multiple images, so let's say you have two of these images, right? Let's make it a little bit smaller. So you got two of these images, right? So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to say, freestanding. Let's make the images the same size, right? So you just go here, and it's 3.2 by 3.2. So let's say I want that to be the same size. And then what you're going to do is you can select both of these images, go to align, and then let's say you want to align the top so they're even, or align middle so they're aligned perfectly, and then you kind of just lay it out wherever you want. In this manner, I suggest using the top and bottom feature and lay it out so that way it looks appropriate.